I think Chanel and Tajay, okay, we're gonna say morning to everyone in our house, alright? No, this is it. We do have a problem because I don't know what the problem with Titi, but I guess we're gonna say who vote for having a problem with Titi in our house, okay? So we're gonna go around and do that right now. So everybody have a problem with Titi. Titi, them say Titi I do a lot of stuff. So we're go around and we're going, yeah, Titi again. We're going to go around and find a vote to see who have problem with Titi. Alright? Let's go. Somebody said, poor Titi. Ready? Alright, may I come for you soon, alright? Alright, so I find Zozo. Hi, Zozo. Good morning. How is your morning? You look so serious. You look very much serious. Alright, so make us sit down right here. Okay, so I want my camera blurry. I can wipe off my camera. Alright, Mr. Wow, my camera was blurry for true. So, how is your morning?
Wait, what kind of interview, sir?
Just, how is your morning? Go with the flow. Okay, sleep good?
Yes, sir.
Okay, said hi to the fam.
Hi, family.
They want better eye under them saying I give them no vibe. Say good morning, like how God wake you up this morning with
Good
help.
morning, chat.
Okay. Alright, so it's like in the house, you know, there's some complaint and it said one says Titi. So do you have any problem with Titi in the house? Really? So from a scale from 1 to 10, right, how would you vote out Titi? How much would you vote out Titi?
Well, yeah, it's not like a problem.
No, we're not making a problem. We're just to find out how much the problem is on a scale from 1 to 10. Okay. Can you say that again for the camera?
10 because she get from bad to worse.
Oh, so she get from bad to worse. Alright, so the thing is this, is Titi. So out of everybody in the house, Titi is the problem? Titi are the one get the most problem?
To me.
To you?
To me, because she did I miss them. We did not, but she
alright, so guys, we have Zozo, so we're gonna go to somebody else. Alright, we're gonna leave you too. Alright, guys, me get my slippers. Hold on, pass the slippers to me. Guys, we're now at the room check, so don't watch my room. If you want to see anything, throw down. Do not look. No, we're at the room check tomorrow. Not room check today. Because with this come. Alright, now guys, you have Mika Boo. Hi, Mika Boo. Everybody why you say morning, they say they never get a good morning.
I like me, they don't do so.
No, they say then this come, like people this come, so they must say, if you can't just say morning nicely to them.
Good morning.
How is your morning?
My morning is fine, I'll go through.
She said, how about you guys? You communicate. I will tell you if you go, hey, don't make me start. Alright. So, you have to thank God for what this morning?
Life.
Number one thing. Alright, so Mika Boo, everybody say them have a problem in the house, right? Who you find a problem with in the house? State one person you have problem with in the house.
Titi. Why? Because she don't want me in the room, I can't come up and home.
Okay, that's the only problem.
So she kinda miserable.
Okay, so Titi.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's the only thing?
No, yeah.
Guys, we talked to you about the chat, right? Don't really feel like me go around with a camera with people and be disrespectful in the comment section. Me not turn on this for people come disrespect nobody. I'm not doing that. Right? I mean, maybe not have a bag of moderator to help me, but I'm not gonna turn on the camera for people disrespect people in the chat. Them wanna say wanna miss me, right? When we no come on social media, oh we miss you no. But we tell you we come now wanna come with a bag of stupidness. Bro, let me tell you something. Not today, not today. Alright, ready. We're go by guys. Ready? They don't like see we, you know, when they see me on the camera, I come there and start.
Yo, don't play with God on there.
Guys, bless up your life. Before me start again, bless the live chat, please. Bless the live chat. Alright, see man them there right here, so. See man them there. Bless the live chat, bless the live. But soon come, them want them bless the live first. Chat, bless the live, bless the live, bless the live. Bless the live. In Jesus' name, bless up the live chat. Everybody come together, double tap. We're going to get 23 likes. That don't make no sense, chat. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Bless up your live chat. Thank you, baby.
Lucky moon. Thank you, Rush.
Rush, thank you.
Lucky moon.
Lucky moon, I'll give you a follow. Come on, chat. Bless up the live before we move on. We're not going to do this.
Alex, here.
Chat, bless up your live now. Please make we can move on. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Come on, live. Everybody come together. Double tap. Tap up your screen, chat. Come on, chat. Tap up your screen. Guys, I got to know today. I got you guys today. All right? The whole day, camera, activities, all of that, guys. All you have to do is bless the live. Bless the live chat.
Yeah, this is nice.
No, that's nasty.
Yeah,
okay, I'll move on. All right, guys. May I come ask you a question? I want to know. Prepare. Thank you so much. Want it, right? Thank you so much.
The money gone. Oh, that we can't see him. Nifa, thank you.
Nifa, thank you, guys. Come on, chat. 2 more money gone. We need to move on. We have a long day today. 2 more money gone, chat. 2 more money gone. We need to move on. Help me set the live goal.
Yes.
Come on, chat. We need to move on. 2 more money gone. Everybody put in. Drop a heart. Drop some donut. And Zozo answer for them question already, right? So we're going to ask you. Okay. All right? Now, who is the person in the house you have a problem with? Who is the person you can see it say, yeah, me have a problem in the house with? Attitude and all.
Attitude and all. Nobody.
Nobody? Guys, Eldino said nobody. All right. Ready now? Akiwa.
The same question.
The same question.
No problem with nobody. Nobody good.
Nobody at all? All right.
Problem. Trouble. Everything in our world.
The same question for you.
Alright. Who have a problem in the house?
Who have a problem with in the house?
Let's be real, man.
Right now, nobody. No. Let me tell you my problem now. This morning the problem rise up.
Alright, what rise up this morning?
Wake up this morning and like, I what me do it. She says, tap up me door. But yeah, everybody already wake up. She get up. She says, tap up me door, man. Leave the door alone, because I do it for man. We are past through, you know. So we can't have the flag what me do. So we just leave the door. You know I hear that? You're Confronting Titi.
So what are they? Alright, so we have how many people who have a problem? 1, 2, 3. Guys, we can't talk to Chanel yet and Jagga because them are all asleep.
I have a problem with them.
Right, them are all asleep, so we can't. So we are going for Titi.
Chanel too. Too loud. Yeah, but same thing for Titi.
Yo, Chanel loud for you, you know. Chanel now hold back on the load. And a little bit so. Out of one little bit in it, yeah. Out of one smarty and so much nice. Alright, so guys, hold on. We're going to stay for, we're going for Titi. Guys, let's go. We're going for Titi. Guys, we're going for Titi.
Everything you say, I'm gonna give you twice.
Like what?
Me deal with all of uno. It's same way. Don't start.
Like what that?
Guys, me deal with all of uno.
I tell me, but I not true. Me ask the shrimp yesterday. And I told me ask the shrimp yesterday.
I want the shrimp yesterday.
Overall,
you know, overall, he doesn't deserve it.
And I
yesterday
can't
because he was not enough.
Titi, there's one thing with a family, we don't talk about food. It's the food that we eat. We never ever talk. But no, she said you're spoiled. She did not said anything about food. Do not mention food. You understand me? Don't do that, sis.
Oh, sorry.
Guys, get rid of the one here from. Move from back away. Move. Alright? Always remember this. Never ever anybody stated I'm ever no argue about no argue about juice. But when you come on food,
Me not argue about food.
nobody argue about
when they
food.
eat the food. See them here?
Hush.
They never eat the food yet. They ever eat my food. I like that all is not eat.
See, that one here, I love to eat people. You ask about it.
Mom, look up what a cost kettle.
Alex, ask Ali.
Mom, just put a kettle.
Alright, listen to me. My number one rule. May I tell you my number? May I make this with the number one rule? Never ever argue about
Food.
When I say it again, come in when I go do it. Ready again. My number one rule is
Never argue about food. Get it.
wanna say it with belief?
Yes.
Wanna believe in yourself on the side? Alright, now why next you? Why problem you have with Titi?
Will you stay here? You have to stay there again?
Yes. Miserable too?
You stay. My
Oh, she tell me say she wanna knock on the door.
It's morning time.
Mika, is your room you
No, my one.
So Mika, you have a problem?
No, me don't know more.
Nobody a knock on the door a trouble you?
No, Taji knock on my door. One night, Taji, me and Taji do the 35. Why so go move put away there? Let's say if come back again, me catch him a tea something from me now.
Taji come in here and come tea something last night?
Taji some from me.
And me first thing wake up. Me first thing wake up, then me juke back the drop asleep.
Yo, me
Then
just
3
have to
o'clock
know
when
him.
me look on the
Me
time,
have to
3
know him.
o'clock. You do a knock again. Me no move and me can get up.
So Titi, how you feel about Jagga coming back in the house? So Titi,
No, I'm a scream shotty.
Yeah.
what happened?
Me say me mix up. The scream shotty.
So me can't talk, you know.
For real?
Yeah.
No, not talk it down.
Show me.
Sure.
So you,
Then I have to show you.
Farm.
Actually, now what you want to start
I go in farm.
no, but me didn't watch people status.
I go in farm.
So what? Me did me no care.
Let me see.
Good
Show
morning.
your camera to catch.
Hold on there. Show camera. Jesus.
Hey.
Oh, the Akiwak?
Akiwak.
Akiwak.
Look up, look on the ear, sir. Look say that. Look say that out. Na yo no pa akiwa kid. No pa akiwa kid. I lie. No, I
like shut him down. He's so stressed.
No move, not move.
Akiwa. I can't
Akiwa here, don't lock.
Akiwa.
That's a lock.
Akiwa, can you do that, bro?
Akiwa, can you do that? Akiwa, can you do that?
Akiwa.
They only get that, brother.
Akiwa.
Me I tell Jaga. No, me I tell Jaga. Me I tell Jaga for true.
Akiwa.
No, I tell tap about forget that I feel video. Cause from Jaga gone and mad over Jaga. You can't even see good.
Akiwa run things.
Everybody knows saying that with that man.
No, die.
This video not LD no.
Guys, Titi and Akiwa together.
Lie down in there with his baby mother. Don't have no food with me, bad man.
So tell man say Akiwa. I think no.
It's not Akiwa.
Yo,
So stop.
LD that is disgusting enough.
Hey.
Go tell.
Hey, let me tell you something. The best thing you do is top go on so because you act like you not call Jaga when he gone. You act like you not say so. Hello. Do not act like say you not call Jaga when he gone. He's a pretender.
Jaga left you don't call him phone. I say to
You is a pretender because me can't talk with Jaga. Tell me say call him and tell him say stop tell untruth. You must stop it.
When me call Jaga.
You must stop. When Jaga with me, I go make him talk it straight out time on. You call Jaga and make a complaint said somebody XYZ. You don't tell untruth. Do not be a person like that.
When the whole of went gone.
You're not listening, don't. Me realize say you're one person will tell lie. And I'm one time I catch you tell lie. And some serious lie too.
No, yeah, so when him
Bro, you talk to Jaga. Stop tell untruth. I'm looking in your eyes. Stop tell untruth. Don't like that. But yeah, pretend because even when them a go for Jaga yesterday and Chanel, you want go in at the car, and I may say to you say, how the hell you want go in the car? Like me I say, why Titi? Well on come on my bestie. Well on them, cause bestie, well on the bestie, me do that puzzle and
Mixie come.
well on the TikTok, me do the puzzle good no man. Alright. Well, I'm bestie. Yeah. Yesterday when time, you go pick up Jaga and Chanel. Yeah. Titi begs because me tell Titi say don't go. Titi want come with you know. So me say Titi, them go pick up him man.
Oh yes, never problem. Titi.
You dismember your problem?
No, me not thought that don't tell no man. That's no problem. What? Yeah, attitude. Yeah. Come tell her say you can't come.
Yesterday.
Say, no, you can't come. You go pick up your two enemy them.
Yes.
We in a lie.
Yes.
Me say so boom, me say come out I can. Oh, all right. Bring us some me do. Me I say, all right. We don't want to come. So what you know, look at the problem you don't create now. You say you come last night, no?
Yeah.
I mention about Titi sitting where you talk about.
Yeah.
And they'll get mad. So you are Titi. Yeah. Tell her already. I'm the boom. You say, yo, calm down yourself, Channel. Calm down. Jaga say, yo, the fuck like you ain't taking up. I mean, if you call me, I'm going to care about me. You say, we are going to carry this. So watch you know, a different thing you know. A different thing you ease on yourself, man.
Relax.
They argue. I come in, Chanel argue me. I say Chanel though, but I come my mom with this, yeah. And she still argue.
Say argue come straight up, yourself?
Yeah.
So hold on there. So no, bestie. So when you go fit them up. Yeah. This is what I want to come with you know. Yeah. And me if you tell that one you say, don't go. You understand me?
I say go on in, you go pick up somebody. We soon come. Cause you're freaking cussing.
I don't wash my face.
Oh yeah, Aki.
Bro, everyone now with the on the camera, so you can't stop. You can't stop the camera, lady.
Don't fucking do.
I want.
You man not go post something on TikTok, dog.
Let me see.
Take the man picture off of your page, bro.
Let me see.
No, Titi, nah, go do. But you don't know, say if you black LD enough for your status. In case you know, me black you from the first time I get you know, me black you from the status.
After with the business, go where you go. You feel like you can't laugh. When you know, move from yourself, and I can't wait to tell you what you do last night. Me tell you why your problem. Because you talk by you what you do.
Come.
I beg you bet.
Me not post.
Go on, no force him to come no way.
Come now, me not
Brother,
post.
go on. On the top call him.
Me not post.
Man, go on my youth. Go on, man.
So play man have a woman.
We not babysit him. Make him go away.
post.
Into miserable.
I joke him around.
I
I joke everybody around and she go on. So go on, man.
Me not post, man. Come now.
Elena, tap that. Me said.
Watch out, come look. Me I delete it. See there?
iPhone,
The video gone. See the gone.
Yo, we make him go
Me
on.
not see him. Me not post.
Sometimes when if me put Titi in
I
a
joke
place,
around
me not joke with him. Me not joke with him. Me dead serious. Me not joke with her.
Come in, Alex.
Go on, back to the wall away. We not tap you. Back to everybody.
Titi no vex.
I do a video with me, Alex.
You get up so early. You're only person. You get up with bro. We don't want no
Go back in
negative.
the room. Go back in the room.
Yeah,
He's not
come
gonna post
come
it.
sit down, man. We not post.
He can't post it.
Go on and keep on and do that and me this town so we stop that.
Boy, me a find out information.
Stop babysit TT. If she want back to the wall away of fear business. After no fee, man.
Look no. On the top in is not for talking business.
Oh, I am.
Me know him.
So, is she in there with?
Yeah.
Come, give me.
No, no show no.
Brother, give me.
No,
Give
me
me.
not do. Me not show
Video,
no.
Alex.
Me
Alex.
not-
When do you want to see?
No, me not give out the pity information. Somebody just
Video,
text me
Alex.
about it.
Give out which information.
No, you go say, Dina, we are look for like you say, I want me
Elena, let me see. I want to see somebody. They don't want to give me info.
delete it, man.
Bro, okay, if we delete the info, we can't show people them. Titi, I can see it. We can see it, man. Let me see it, man.
You go say.
No, no show.
We are look for
Elena, Titi black you. Elena, Titi black you for the status. Titi black.
Come in,
Come, let me see you now.
Yo, you're going to have video, you know.